Okay, so hi guys, I am doing my first Grove collaborative unboxing, and my box says we love you, Ivy. So I'm gonna open it up and show you what I got, because I was telling you guys I was trying to order from Target, but we don't have a 2-day shipping thing here, so they wouldn't let me order. So I decided to try Grove. So I'm just gonna open up my box and see what we got in here. So I ordered some Method products, some ones I have never tried before. So it comes with this recyclable paper, I think. So I got the walnut scrubber sponges, those. And then I also got the Dishwasher Detergent packs. And these are the lemon, eucalyptus, and mint. Can't tell. I've seen a lot of people use this, and I've been wanting to try it. The baking soda cream cleaner. Cleaning. This is the Rose Scent dish soap. I wanted to try this one. And then I also got, I think these are my free items right here. I got the multi-surface rose scent. And then I also got the hand soap. The rose scent hand soap. And then it comes with this Grove collaborative little packet, and it says, "We're so happy you're here. Peek inside to learn more about Grove and how your next order will work." And I'm just trying it out for the first time, and we will see if I will keep ordering from here. I wanted some products and I couldn't order them, so I got some more almond. And then I picked up the Lemongrass Degreaser. Everybody uses this, so I wanted to try this out. And then I got the pink grapefruit, which I have this at. I have that one already, but I needed more. And then I also got the lime and sea salt. I've never tried this one. They were out of lavender, and Amazon was out of lavender, so I got the clementine. So I got the clementine and the pink grapefruit, the lime and sea salt, the almond spray, and degreaser. This is everything that let's see. I purchased this, the baking soda cleanser. I really want to try this out on my sink and also my stove, my oven. And then I got the dishwasher. Just putting everything that I got. The dishwasher detergent packs. And then these are my freebies. I got the sponges, the soap, the dish soap, and the spray. So, I'm gonna move stuff away from me so you can see me. That is what I ordered from Grove. Like I said, I've used the sprays before. I've used the wood cleaner before. So I just needed to get refills, and Target would not deliver second day here. So I went ahead and ordered some stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!